Hi everyone. Uh, Good evening, guys. Am I audible? Okay, right. So, guys, here in the last session on Saturday, okay, so we discuss about okay when we want to work on Oracle. Okay, so these are speaker, client, and server we discuss, and finally on Saturday, what we said. So whenever we want to work on Oracle database, then we need to follow the two steps procedure. One is we call connectivity and communication. Okay. So how we said a person want to talk to okay another person, how we are using first mobile through we are connecting to that person, and after that we started communication. Okay, so nowadays how the two people how they want to talk to each other. So by using of mobile device through we connected, the call is connected through mobile device, and later we are using some language to communication purpose. The same as whenever user want to okay communicate to database now, so directly we can't communicate here. So first of all we need to connect, and the connectivity purpose we required one database tool, and the tool we are using what now, SQL plus or developer or third. Okay, so anyone okay tool you can use it. And after that communication, the communication will be started. Okay, so when we want to communicate with database now, definitely we require one language. How I can say when two people they want to talk to each other, they want to communicate to each other, how they require some languages. Okay, same as a communication between user and databases between. Okay, we require one language, and of course your database will supporting only one language. So that means the database cannot understand C language, C++, Java, .NET, Python. So these kind of languages database cannot understand here. So that is the reason what we want to do. So database understandable format. Okay, we need one language, and that language is called as what now, SQL. So remember, so databases can only understand the user request in the form of SQL language. Okay, so if you're sending C language, database cannot understand your C language. If you send C++, it doesn't understand. If you send your Java, not understanding, and .NET not understanding, Python is not understanding. Okay, so databases are having its own language, and the language is called as what now, SQL. Got it my point now? So that is what we are using in our database communication purpose. Okay, and later what we said, what is the differences between plus and SQL? So many people they thought like that the both are same, but both are different. Okay, so what kind of the differentiates are there here means, now we said SQL plus is just a tool which was introduced by Oracle Corporation people. Okay, for going to be connectivity purpose. Okay, na sending request purpose, getting response purpose, we need some client tool, and this is one tool. Okay, and SQL is not a tool, it is a language for communication purpose, and this was introduced by IBM company. Okay, that is the first difference. And SQL plus, okay, we are using connecting purpose, SQL is using communication purpose. SQL plus it will be act as an editor for writing and executing of SQL and PLSQL queries and programs. Okay, now so we call it as the editor. So I think you all of you know this. I think you all of you know this. What is that? Every programming language having its own editors. Okay, for example, if you see, if you want to write some Java programming code, definitely we need some editor. That editor is called as what now? Turbo C. Like C++ programs, if I need to write or execute or compile, so we require what now? Turbo C++. Like Java programs, how we are writing by using of NetBeans, Edit Plus, okay, Eclipse, My Eclipse, how the different types of editors we are using. So in Java, that is what we called. .NET people are using VS.NET editor. So same like that, every programming language, okay, the code, if you want to write, so every programming language is having its own IDE, that's called as the editors. Same as when we want to write SQL queries and PLSQL programs in Oracle. So we have some editor. We require some editor for writing and executing of our query and programs. For that purpose also, we are using SQL Plus. Understand now? So SQL Plus not only for connectivity purpose, even though by using of SQL Plus editor, we will be write our queries, we will be write our programs. Okay, na? So these kind of things also we can do. That's why it will be using as an editor also. Okay, na? That point should be remember all of you. And the next one is SQL is called as what now? It's a one language. And internally, this language is having some sub languages here. So like DDL, data definition language, DML, data manipulation language, DQL, data query language, DRL, data retrieval language, TCL, transaction control language, DCL, data control language. So these are the 5 languages we have here. These 5 languages commands through. So that means each language will give some commands us. Okay, DDL commands are there, DML commands are. Every language is having its own commands here. And those commands through, we are performing some operations over database. So like if you want to create a table, so we need a DDL commands. If you insert the data, DML commands, update, delete, select. So like some operations we can do. Okay, na? So these are all are used to perform operations over databases purpose. Okay, that is what we discussed. And the next one we called as here. So here I said 2 things are the connectivity, communication, but how to connect, sir? So how to connect here? The step 1 I was given to you, how to connect it to Oracle database server. And these are the steps I was given to you. Okay, so go to all programs, go to open Oracle dash DB 19 home 1. So this folder, if you need to open it, okay, then there is some icon was there. That icon is called as SQL Plus icon, and click on that icon. When you click on this icon, what it was happen, username is asking and password, and the default username is what now, system, and whatever the password we created at the time of Oracle software installation. At the time of Oracle software installation, whatever you created, okay, that password is called a, okay, so your user password. The password is called as a user password, and the password I was given. And if you connected, happy. If you connected, happy, and it will be work. Okay. And here I said one important point here. In these cases, username is not a case sensitive. Case sensitive means what now? When we want to check, okay, upper or lower, okay, these kind of things, when we got to check it, definitely that is called a case sensitive. Suppose if you want to go for, suppose Java student is there. Java students, if I'm asking to you, what your Java programming language is a case sensitive or not a case sensitive? Come on, guys. Java students, your Java programming language, is it case sensitive language or not? Come on. Case sensitive. Okay. Same as here also. Username is not a case sensitive. That means username, the system, you can write either capital or small, whatever it was, you can write now. Okay, na? So, but password is compulsory, whereas password is a case sensitive. But password, you can't use like a uppercase. When you're creating your password, all are in the small case characters. All are in the small case character, but you can't use like uppercase characters because it is a case sensitive. Okay, so this point should be remembered. Okay, this is what on Saturday session we will discuss here, guys. Okay, right. And let me see in today's session, I will show you while you're connecting to Oracle, what kind of connectivity problems we will be faced. What was connectivity problems? The connectivity problems, first I will show you one by one, and problem with the solution. Solution also I will go to show you, carefully observe. Okay, na? Right. So first all problems one by one I will explain to you, and those problems how to resolve it. How to resolve it or solve it, that solutions also I will explain to you. Okay, na? So now my heading was what now? Connectivity problems. So now take side heading, all of you. If anybody notes maintenance people, they can go for to take citing is connectivity problems. Okay. Now, first the problem number one. So generally these problems are every fresher or learner database. So some problems they will be faced and very regular problems these are. So what kind of problems are there here? Observe carefully. Okay, what I said yesterday, that means Saturday. Saturday we said this is the way how you can connect. Okay, right. So now that same thing I just go to follow now. So what I said, go to your all programs and go for your all programming screen. Okay, then come back here. And I said your Oracle dash or a DB 19 home one folder expand here or else open it. And in this, one of the icon is there, guys, your SQL plus icon, and it will be open like this. Okay, na? So this is what. Okay, now otherwise you just go to take your shortcut. Take your shortcut like you can create your okay icon will be okay put into your desktop and you just go to click on this. Once I click on here, so it will be asking immediately enter username so that we all of you know this. Okay, now. So now what is our username system? What is our username system? Okay, and immediately asking password. So password I'm going to enter here. Okay, Tiger. I will enter Tiger, but it is not appear to you because it will be hiding your password. So now you will be connected to your Oracle. So connected to Oracle Database 19C Enterprise Edition. So there is nothing problem to the user. You can happily work whatever you want to do. You can do it on your Oracle database. Okay. But all the times it will be not like that. Okay. Now sometimes so we are properly we are installing. Okay, but unfortunately, sometimes what it was happened, we are unable to connect to your Oracle server. So when you are not connected, what it was and what we want to do and which kind of problems. Okay, right. The first problem, let me see. First, I will do. Okay, I will go to services. I'm going, guys. Here, observe carefully. I'm going to services in my computer. Services is there. Okay, let me see to open this services now. Okay, I just open this. Okay, in services, what I'm going to do, Oracle, okay, the registrations, whatever it was there in this. Okay, see, complete the picture, carefully observe. These are Oracle registers we called. These are all okay, na? These are all which belongs to Oracle tool. In this, one of the most important tool is called as or registry is called as what now? Oracle service. Can you see ORCL is there? This is a very, very important, okay, registry, this one. And your ORCL, what it is, sir? Can you remember ORCL at the time of installation? It was asking to us, okay, global database name, or else we called SID, okay, a system identifier. So can you remember at the time of installation, whatever the installation process I showed you in that, okay, global database name, what it was taken ORCL. What it was taken ORCL, yes or no? Right. So that is represented by your ORCL global database name. And this is your main server. Okay, your database server, I said, it is a server. So this is called Oracle server or else services. Server services. Okay, now this is the main thing. This is the main thing. And when you installing, that means so many people, what they thought, after installation, they're going to be seeing that they didn't get the SQL plus icon. Okay, na? And later some more problems is what now? They have SQL plus icon, but they're unable to connecting to server. Okay. So that's why what you want to do, first of all, your software is successfully installed or not. Okay, na? So your software is successfully installed or not. Suppose you want to take confirmation. You want to take confirmation. Okay, what you want to do? First, come to services. Come to services. Oracle service. This registry is having in your services or not, check it out. Okay, this registry is there or not there, check it out in services. Okay na, in services option, this Oracle services, this registry is available or not, check it out. If it is there, then okay. If it is not showing to you, if it is not showing to you, then you just confirm that your installation not properly done. Okay, that means while installation time, you're missing some options. Otherwise, you are giving wrong information. Okay, something should be missing. Yes or no? So that's why if you are not properly done your installation, then this Oracle Services ORCL, it is not showing to you. If it is not showing in my services, this registry, if it is not showing in my services, then you just confirm that your Oracle software installation not perfect. Okay, that means you did some mistakes. Okay, then you have to reinstall again. There is no change or there is no chance for you. Okay, so that's why after installation, everyone go to services, Oracle service, ORCL or Oracle service is there or not there. First check it out. Okay, that is your first step. Okay, after installation, you need to check. Okay, na? Right. So now come back. So this Oracle services ORCL, is it which mode? Can you see? Is it which mode it is there? Come on. Is it which mode, guys? Here, running mode. Okay, it's a running mode. It is a running mode. Understand my point? Yeah, it is a running mode. So now, suppose if it is running mode, nothing problem to you. If it is running mode, nothing problem to you. For in case, I just go to change here. Suppose I just going to stop my services. Here icon is there, na stop button. So present my services status. What is the status of my service? Running mode. What is the service status here? Running mode. So that means my Oracle server, okay, is activation mode. That means it is working mode. So that's why it was showing running. Suppose your status is stop. Now I'm going to stopping now. Okay, right. So now we can see what is the status for you. What is service status? Can you see service status is stopped mode. Okay, when it was stopping, okay, I said that was, I just come out and see your Oracle services ORCL is not in running mode and nothing was showing here. See, nothing was showing here. Is it running mode or disable mode or stopping mode? It doesn't show anything. So it is not showing anything means you just understand that your services are in stopping mode. When it was stopping mode, okay, there's nothing was there. Okay, nothing was there here. Stopping mode. Let me come. So you feel like that, okay, sir, my installation successfully done and I got it, my icon also, SQL Plus icon. I'm very happy for this. Okay, I just opened, sir, and I know my default username is system, sir, and my password is also, I know my password is Tiger, and you just entered what it was happening, you can see. Yes. Anybody got it, this problem? TNS protocol adapter error. Anybody got it? This kind of problem, anybody got it while your connectivity level? Okay, if you're not got it and you're successfully connected, yes, no problem, nothing problem to you. Okay, na? If you successfully connected means nothing problem. Your installation is very good, everything is good. But when you get this kind of problem, definitely some students are saying that, yes, sir, I've got it. Ram Prasad saying that, yes, sir, I got it, this problem. Okay. This is the problem. Okay, if you got it this problem, what is solution, sir? What is our solution? Okay, so right. This is the problem number one. This is the problem number one. Okay, got it my point now? This is our problem number one. Okay, right. Now, okay, sir, problem we faced, but what is solution? What is solution? Now you can see I'm giving solution also. I'm giving solution also. Solution is very clear. Carefully observe. To overcome this, what we want to do now, you have to go for okay services mode. You have to go for services now. Go to services. Go to services. Yeah, step one. I'm giving here now. Okay, go to services. Okay, then after step number two. Step number two. Go to Oracle. Okay, service ORCL. Okay, Oracle service ORCL. Okay, ORCL, and click on it. And click on it. After that, step number three. Select your startup object. Select your startup. Okay, na? So select your startup type is, what is my startup type is automatic. Okay, startup type, okay, type is automatic. Then after, next step. Okay, so click on, okay, click on start button. Click on start button. Okay, then finally step number 5. Okay, click on okay. Okay, na? So these are, so let me see, observe carefully. Let me see, observe carefully. What is this? First, go to services. Okay, sir, I'm going to services. That's the first step. Okay, na? Go to services. Next, go to Oracle service ORCL. Yes, go to Oracle service. Go to Oracle service. Okay, Oracle service ORCL. Okay, after going to there, what I said, and click on it. So now I'm click on it. So I click on it. So click on it. After click on it, select the startup type is automatic. So here, can you see if I click on it? If I click on it, okay, now if I click on it, now you can see it was what it was here, startup type. So automatic. But if you go to expand this, there is some options are there. So automatic delay started. If you choose this option, your server will get to start okay slowly. That means it will take some time period. So now automatic manual. If you selected manual means what now? Every time whenever you want to work on Oracle, first you come to here and activate here. Okay, every time. That's called a manual system. Disable means your services will in active mode. Your services will not in active mode. So that's why don't select this. Don't go manual. Don't go automatic. Okay, automatic delay started. So go selected your what now? So whenever my operating system, whenever my computer is open, at the time of computer open, your operating system will automatically open your Oracle service also. Understand now? Automatically your services will be open. So select that is here. Okay, select that is automatic. After that, can you see service status is stopping? So now you have to click on what now? Startup. So I said to you, next after click on start button. Okay, yes. Come to click on start button. So every point very clearly I'm showing now. Okay, and I'm slowly explaining this all the things. So don't hurry worry. Okay, step to step you have to check. Okay, now. Okay, right. So startup is okay activated, and now we can see now what is the service status here. It's running mode. Okay, fine. Then after just click on OK button. Just come and click on OK button. Okay, now you can see your services are going to be activated. Your services are going to be activated. Now, what it was showing to me now, Oracle Services ORCL. Is it okay? Is it running mode or not? Yes. Now, successfully, it was a running mode. So, when it was running mode, when it was running mode, then after keep it this, come back, keep it this, come back, and now close this. Come and open your SQL players, and now you just entered. Now you just entered system and the password is what now? Tiger. Now you can see, yes. Now successfully connected, guys. Come on. Now connected, huh? Yes. So problem solve it now. So then after, so this is your solution. After this, you just come back and enter again. And now it was say connected. Okay. This is one problem, guys. Okay, the problem and solution. TNS protocol adapter error. TNS protocol adapter error. Got it, my point? Next one is called as here, the next subject, next connectivity I'm going to explain to you. What is the next step? Problem number 2. Problem number 2. Next level, let me come out and see. Don't hurry, worry, Prashant. Don't hurry, worry. One by one, I will come and show each and everything. Okay, na? Wait for that. Wait for that. Now, next one is what now? Give me chance. Okay, I will show you each and every point. We will discuss step by step. Okay, don't worry. So here I'm doing something. What I'm doing later, I will explain to you. Okay, na? Later I will explain to you. Okay, carefully observe. Okay. Second problem, observe. So again, you are feeling like that, okay, my installation successfully done, and I just come to, okay, so SQL Plus, okay, and open this. Again, you as usual, you people are trying to enter, okay, so system and the password is Tiger. But what it was happening, sir, let me go. Yes, this is another problem, guys. This is another problem. Okay, na? Right, right. So now in this, what it was happening, you can see what it was showing my error. The account is locked. The account is locked. This is one more problem I will be face. Okay. So this is also generally this problem also so many people are facing at the time of login or connectivity. Okay. So now you can see the solution for this. If I'm getting this kind of problem, what is solution? What is my solution? Carefully observe. So now here, again, to overcome the account is locked. Okay. To overcome the account is locked. Now, how this problem should be overcome means there is a one more default user is there. So system is also default user, and along with the Oracle software, we will get one more user. That user name is called as slash sys as sysdba. Okay, now this is one more default user. Okay, now so with this user, you just connect. The password is sys and connect. So you connected. After connected, you have to do one thing. What is that? Alter username system account. Already account is what now here locked, and this is I have to do unlock. Okay, now I have to do what now? Unlock and just execute now. Okay, after that, after that, what we want to do, sir? After that, what we want to do, then you just come back here, connect, and now you have to enter your system, okay, and Tiger, then see you will successfully connect it. Connected, huh? Previously, what it was say error, but now after I'm going to do unlock system, first one locked. Now I did unlock, then successfully you connect. Is it clear? The account locking problem, how to overcome, you know now? Yes, yes, very good. So this is another problem with the solution. So what I'm doing here, you just come back. If you get this kind of thing, just you have to enter another default user. His name is SYS. As sysdba is also another default user. Okay. And sir, this password is also default password, guys, here. Okay, now this is not Tiger. Tiger is our password we are created. And this is also default password. And this password only for sysdba user, not system. System password we will create it. System password we will create it at the time of installation. But this sysdba password automatically, which is along with our software, it will come. Okay, na? Yes, yes. This is a default password, another default user. So through this, first you need to connect. Through this, first you need to connect. Okay, now the version we connected, so I don't want it this enterprise edition. Up to here is enough that. Okay, now you will be connected. After connected, you have to write one thing. What is that? How to lock or unlock. How to lock or unlock a user account in Oracle database. Okay. Either you can lock or you can unlock also. So what is my syntax? Syntax is nothing but formula. Syntax is nothing but formula. What is the formula? Okay, alter. What is my formula? Alter username, username, and account. If it is you want to do lock, you can use lock, or else you want to unlock, you can use unlock. Okay, na? Right. Then example. So my user is unlock. If you do lock, unlock, because already lock actually. Already your account is locked already. So that's why what I'm doing, unlock. Okay. Then after unlock, now you have to go as usual. your system user and to check it out. Now you want to successfully connect. Understand now? So this is another way, guys. This is another way. Okay. Another problem, we got it. One more problem is there. One more problem. Sir, if you ask like, if you ask like, sir, if I'm going to, okay, I'm unable to connect with the system user. So whenever I was unable to connect with system user, then sysdba user I'm using. Okay, na? Sysdba user I'm using. Suppose sysdba user is not connected. See, this is somebody's asking. Okay, na? The problem number 3. What is problem number 3? Suppose you entered your default first user. Who is the first user? System. And tiger. It will show error. Okay. What it was say, unable to connect Oracle server. Okay. Next, what we tried with this SYS. Here also showing error. What is error? Unable to connect to Oracle server. So the first user's system is not connected, showing error. SysDBA user is not connected, showing error. Then what I want to do, sir? Because both are default users. Both are default users. Okay. So it is also default user. Okay. Default user, username, and this is also default username. So somebody is asking, sir, the both are not connected. System through is not connected, as well as sysdba through is not connected. What I want to do, sir, means that if both are not connected, then your solution is only the thing. Okay, is a reinstallation of Oracle software. Okay, na? So there is no other solution for this. System through you're not connected. SysDBA through you're not connected. Both are unable to connect Oracle server. So finally, your installation is biggest problem. Then you have to go for reinstallation. So these are the 3 problems and solution, guys. Generally, we are going to be getting. Understand now? Right. Next one. Okay, these are the problems and solution I explained to you. Okay, next. Now here, in these all cases, what I'm saying here, we are using default users only. We are using default users. But you are asking to me, sir, why should I want to use a default user? I want to use my own user accounts. That means I want to create my own username and password. Okay, some people are asking, sir, I don't want to connect to my Oracle with the default usernames. Okay, I don't want to connect with the default user names. I want to connect to my Oracle with my own user ID and password. Okay, now with my own user ID and password. Got it my point? Then how, sir? Is it possible or not? Okay, yes, definitely. Yourself, you can create your own username and password. That's nothing problem to you. That's a nothing problem to you. Understand my point? Yes. So now you can come out and see. I will go for that. This is also important for you. Okay, how to create a new user name and password in Oracle database. Okay, na? The question understand na? How to create a new username and password in Oracle database. Okay, but here observe carefully. Your username passwords are who will create it, sir. It means that only database admins are created. Only database admins are created. So who is your admin? There are two admins are there. One is system admin by default. One is sysdba admin. So database administrator, sys system. Okay, he or he, both are same. Both are two different usernames. Okay, but both are playing as a admin role. Both are playing as an admin role. So any one admin user through you can connect first of all. Then after you can go to write. Okay. So how and first of all, what is the syntax I have to show? So I'm writing syntax here. What is the syntax? Create user, and we are sending new username. New username, and here I'm passing identified by password. Okay, identified by password. So create username, new username identified by password. Okay, and now you can see I will be created my own user ID password. Okay, come back. But who will create your username and password? Administrators only created. Yourself, you can't create. First, you have to go for admin. So, who is our admin here? System is our admin. Come on, system is our admin. Yes or no? Right. So, first to connect with your system admin. Then after, you have to write. You have to write your create username. I will create a username on my okay, our batch purpose. I'm creating mydb 4 p.m. Okay, our username is what now? Mydb 4 p.m. Create username. And then after what now? Identified by password 123. Password 123. Okay, but this username and password, who will create it? Administrator is created. Who is our admin? System. Or else one more admin is there. Who is this one more admin? Sysdba. In this two, anyone you can use. Okay, in this two, anyone you can use. And now you can go to successfully create. So user created. Come on, guys. User is created. Okay, right. So now user successfully created. This is the solution for this. Okay, first you have to connect with your admin. Then after this syntax, as per above syntax, create user, new username. So create user, new user. Who is my new username? MyDB 4 p.m. Identified by password 123 password. Okay. So finally, successfully user is created. But here the point is observed. After administrator system or sysdba, these people are created a new username and password. What this admin will do, this mydb 4 p.m. username 123 password is assigning to some developer, some employee in my company. So then what it was happened, that employee who assigned to whom the admin was assigned here, this user ID password, that employee directly will go to login now. So he was trying, okay, he was trying to log in now. He was trying to log in now. Okay, what is my username? MyDB 4 p.m. Okay, what is my password? 123. Okay, I'm going to enter. So I was entered correct user ID, correct password. There is no wrong and there is nothing. I was entered correct user ID, correct password. But still, it doesn't connect. Now see. But still, you never connected. Can you find out here? Can you find out here? Are you connected? No, never. Okay, you're not connected. It was showing some error. What is error? User MyDB 4 p.m. lacks create session privilege, log on denied. So that means even though user ID and password I was successfully entered, but still my Oracle server will not give permissions to me. Why, sir, it is not giving permissions? Why, sir, it is not giving permission? Okay, na? Okay. What is the reason behind this? What is the reason behind this? Okay. Now you can see. I just come out to take see each and every point step by step. I'm explaining. Don't confuse. Okay, na? So after user created, immediately that user is try to connected. Immediately that user try to connected, but unfortunately, user unable to connect your okay server, and it was showing some error. Why, sir? Okay, now let me go. Let me go now. Note. What is my note here? Carefully observe. What is my note here? Okay. In Oracle, every new user, every new user is called as dummy user. Is called as dummy user. Dummy user means, okay, what does it mean by that? What does it mean by that? Means there is no privileges. There is no privileges or permissions. Privileges or permissions. Understand my point now? Dummy user, that means there is no privileges or permissions. Yeah, privileges means permission, guys. Okay, so that's why it is called a dummy user. We call every new user is called as a dummy user. Okay, so that means that he doesn't have any permissions to connect. Okay, now, so that's what we want to do now. Full stop. If, who is this? MyDB 2PM. If a user want to take or want to connect to Oracle server, okay, then that user must be take permission, must be take permission from database admin. If a user want to connect it to Oracle server, then that user must be okay, or he must be take permission from database admin. Okay, na? So then only possible. Directly not possible. Okay. So now I'm giving permission. Who will give it permission? Admins. Now we can say granting. Granting. Which permission? Granting. Which permission? Connected to Oracle server permission. Granting. Okay. Which permission? Connected to Oracle server permission. Okay. Connectivity permission. Granting connectivity permission. Okay, right. So now how you was granting connectivity permission means again same as, carefully observe, same as who will give permission? Admin. So connect, your admin is system, and I'm taking your password. After that, you will be write some statement. Grant connect to which user? MyDB 4PM user. Yes. Now see guys, now admin will connected and granting which permission? Grant is a one command. Okay. In future classes, I will explain more about the grant. Okay. But yeah, just observe grant is nothing but granting permission. Which privilege? The privilege is called a permission. Which permission? Connect permission. To whom? To whom I'm giving? To whom I'm giving? MyDB 4PM user, because MyDB 4PM user only unable to connect. Yes or no? So to give MyDB 4PM user. Okay, na? Right. So now this will be happen. After that, granting success, now we can connect MyDB 4PM/123. Now tell me guys, now can I connect this? Now this user connecting What is your guessing? Now this user is connecting or not? Yes, definitely. Now this user is connected. So connected, huh? Come on, connected now. Yes. So this is the way, guys. So this is the way you have to go and check. Okay, na? So granting connectivity permission. What? How to give granting connectivity permission? Syntax. What is the syntax here? Grant, and here I will give privilege name. Privilege means permission name to which user that username should be gave it. Okay, na? Right. Very good. So now you just come out and see this all. So what I'm saying here in Oracle, every new user is called as a dummy user. So that means there is no privileges or permission. If a user want to connect to Oracle server, then that user must take permission from the admin. Okay, na? Right. So that is what we call. And this is granting connectivity permission syntax. But this permissions, who will give it? Only admins. Yes or no? Users will not give this kind of permissions. So only admins will give it. So admin will give permissions here. Okay. So grant is a command. Grant. Privilege. Which privilege? Connectivity privilege. To whom I'm giving? Whom I'm giving? So I'm giving here MyDB 4 p.m. Okay, na? Right. So it was going to be successful. Then after this user MyDB 4 p.m. 123 successfully connected. Okay, right. After connected, now you people are asking now, sir, if I want to change my password, my user password, I want to send myself. Okay, initially my DB 4 p.m. Okay, password is given. Okay, how much it was? I'm giving now 123, but I don't want it, sir. 123. I want to change myself my own password. Okay, I want to change myself my own password. Okay, how I can change, sir? Okay, now you can see. First, you have to connect with your username and old password with your username and old password. First you connect. Connectivity is happened. After successfully connected, now you just type here. Which command? Password command. If you type your password, it was asking changing password for which user? MyDB 4 p.m. user. Changing password for MyDB 4 p.m. user. What it was asking? Old password. Can you tell me what is my old password? Come on. What is your old password? 123. Okay, now I'm typing now. Now I'm typing now. 1, 2, 3. I typed here. Okay. What it was asking new password. It was asking new password. Okay, na? New password I'm giving now. Okay. Capital A, capital B, capital C. Okay, right. Retype your new password. Capital A, capital B, capital C. Okay. So now I just go to execute. Yes. What it was telling to me? What it was telling to me? Your password successfully changed. Okay. This is how to change your password. Okay. Now here I will give after connected. The question will come to you. How to change a user password in Oracle database. Okay, right. Oracle database. Okay, now. First, what you want to do? You need to connect and give it this all statements step by step. Okay, first connect with your old password. Type your what is my old password here? 123. My new password here. capital ABC. Retype your password. Okay, now retype your password, capital ABC. Then password is changed. Okay, password is changed, but I need to test now. Password is changed or not, I need to test now. How to test? Now we can see. Now if I enter connect, my username might be 4 p.m. slash 123 if I'm giving. Is it connected? Come on. Is it connected or not? No. Why, sir? Why, sir, it is not connected? Yes. Why it is connected means my password already changed now. Yes. If you enter this, showing what now? See, invalid username and password. Okay, na? Invalid username or password. Understand now? So now come out here. Come out here. Now latest password you can enter mydb 4 p.m. Okay, slash ABC. Can I connect it now? Can I connect it now? Yes, definitely. Now you can see you connected or not. Now you can see you connected or not. Okay, yes, you can see. Yes, yes, you were successfully connected. Okay, now successfully connected. So this is a testing area. This is called a testing area. After password is changed, now you have to testing now. Okay, now testing, then it will be connected. So this is how to change a user password in Oracle database. So today in this session, what we discussed, once you recall here, so first we are discussing about the connectivity problems. So there are very often three problems here: TNS protocol adapter. So the problem and solution, account is locked, problem and solution, and unable to connect Oracle server with the system and with sysdba. Then problem and solution. Okay. Then after we know that how to create a new username and password in Oracle. So this is a syntax, and who will create it? Administrators are created. So after created, this user tried to log in, but it was showing error. Why it was showing means in Oracle, every new user is called a dummy user. Dummy user means he don't have any privileges or permissions. Okay, now if user want to connect Oracle server, then that user must take permission from admin. So granting connectivity permission syntax, how it was going to be given here. So grant privilege name to the username, and connecting by admin will grant it. So only administrators are granted, not other people. Okay, now granted to MyDB 4 p.m. Then RPL he have to connect. After that, he want to change his own password. Then you can go to change and testing your password, whether my password successfully changed or not. Okay. So today in this session, we will observe this one. And in tomorrow's session, I will show you if I forgot it, my password, then how I can go to recreate. Okay. That is one. And one more thing is what now, if I forgot it, my username, then how we can go to recheck my usernames. Okay. Now, so after that, all users, how I can see how many users are there in Oracle that I want to see. Okay. Now, then users, if I need to drop or delete, how I can drop and delete my users. Okay, so these kind of things are we are going to be checking out. Okay, tomorrow. Understand now? So tomorrow we will go for to check it out this all. Okay, right. And of course, and guys, here already your Google Classroom is created by your admin, Mr. Surendra, and you already kept in your chat box. Once open your chat box, all of you, open your chat box, and Upendra, your admin, was given your Google Classroom. Once you can check it out now, guys, all of you. Okay, so you just directly click on that and you will be logged. Okay, you just go to click on here. So I'm also keeping this Google Classroom. I'm also keeping in your chat box Google Classroom. Directly click on. Directly click on. Joined all of you. Yes. You directly click on from your mobile. From your mobile, directly click on that link. What it was showing to you. It will be asking any. It was asking any class code. I already shared here, Anand. I already shared it. Once check it out your chat box. I already shared it. Okay, 1 second I'm sharing now. 1 second I'm sharing now. Please check it, all of you. So 1 second I share you, all of you check. Okay. 1 second I share you. Just open that link. You just go and open the link. Okay. Added a yes. So now after adding what I'm going to do today, complete notes, whatever I was explaining to you, complete notes I'm sharing in Google Classroom. Just a minute, guys. So I will share entire the notes to you. I'm sharing that entire notes from the day one demos and up to now. And even though Surendra was kept to demo recording videos also, the first 10 recording videos also kept once you open your chat box and check it out, guys. So if anybody missing the demo classes, okay, the top or first 10 classes recording videos also I'm keeping in your Google, in your chat box. I'm keeping in your chat box. Once again, check it out, guys, all of you. Check it out, 10 days recording videos. Check it out, all of you. Got it? In your chat box open and got it? Hmm. Otherwise, what I'm going to do, this 10 days videos also, I'm keeping here. Okay, now in your notes, I'm keeping lastly. Okay, the 10 days recording videos. Okay, right. This links also I'm keeping in your what we called in class. Okay, in your class notes. Okay, right. Okay, now right. So I just save this file. So complete your okay file, and now come back to your okay. Now just a moment. I just come to your. So I'm also joined in your MyDB 4 p.m. 4 p.m. now. 4 p.m. This is previous notes.